To be able to run 3S on a RC car, you must have both a capable ESC and a capable motor. You cannot use standard silver CAN 540 motor. 540 motors cannot withstand 3S power. Instead you need to use 550. 550 can usually handle up to 12 volts, which is more than enough for 3S. Your ESC must be able to support 3S. And you must give it a cooling fan. If possible, cool the motor as well. Note the runtime. 3S is very powerful and can heat things up, so you want to give the system a break every 7 minutes or so. Use Dean's plug. Avoid standard Tamiya plastic plug altogether.